So this is the last problem, sir. You are employed at a three-story mall that has been in operation for 5 years. Since its opening, there has been no maintenance performed on the network, infrastructure, or end-user devices. Wi-Fi can be easily hacked and used for cybercrimes. Eventually, all the devices fail. As a solution, the mall manager purchased 35 new computers units along with 10 switches and 3 routers, 1 TT routers, and two 2811 routers, which are the distribute across the three floors for network configuration. Only OSPF open shortest path first is to be used. Your task is to design the new network accordingly. So, ito yung design na ginawa ko, sir. Is So, naglagay ako ng 35 PC dito, sir. Plus 10 switches and 3 routers. So, i-check natin sa isa, sir, kung yung mga fault gateway niya. So, ito yung fault gateway niya, sir. 172.168.100.1. IP address is 172.168.100.2. Yung subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. The same din, sir. Check natin lahat. Default niya, sir, 172.168.100.1. IP niya, sir, is 172.168.100.3. Is yung subnet mask 255.255.0.0. Yes, yung isa din, sir. Check natin lahat, sir. Same din, sir. Yung default niya, sir, is 172.168.100.1. Yung IP, sir, is 172.168.100.4. Yung subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Yes, check natin lahat, sir. Okay. Itong default gateway niya, sir, is 172.168.100.1. Yes, yung IP niya, sir, is 172.168.100.4. Sir, ito yung default gateway niya, sir, is 172.168.100.1. Same din, sir. So, yung IP lang, sir, is 172.168.100.5. Yung subnet, sir, is 255.255.0.0. Same din, sir. Config, yung default gateway, 172.168.100.1. IP is 172.168.100.6. 255.255.0.0. Sir. Yung default niya, sir. Same din, sir. IP is 172.168.100.3. Default, sir, is same. Ako ng 172.168.100.8. Din, sir. Config. Default gateway. Sir, plus IP is 172.168.100.9. Yun, sir. Default. Gumamit ako ng content, sir, 100.168.100.2. Sa IP din, sir, is 100.168.100.2. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Tapos yung default niya sir is 100.168.100.2. Yes, next sir. Default, same lang din sir. 100.168.100.1. IP sir is 100.168.100.3. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Yes, last. Sir is yung default niya sir is 100.168.100.1. Yung IP sir is 100.168.100.5. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Next naman sir, same process sir, 100.168.100.1. IP 100.168.100.6. Yung subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Yes, next sir, same din sir. Default gateway, IP address 100.168.100.7. Same last sir, 100.168, same din sir. Tapos yung IP 100.168.100.9. Default na sir. Tapos yung subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Dito naman tayo sa config default gateway 192.168.100.1. IPs 192.168.100.2. Yung subnet mask sir is 255.255.255.0. Yes, same lang din sir. Yung IP, yan sir. IP 192.168.100.4. Config default gateway same din sir. IP lang 192.168.100.5. Next sir. Yung IP sir is yun sir 192.168.100.1. Yung IP is 192.168.100.0. Subnet master is 255.255.255.0. Sir, same din sir ng default. IP is 192.168.100.7. Yung subnet master is config. Sir, test yung default. Test yung IP 192.168.100.8. And then sir, yes, yan din sir. Yung ginamit kong default dito sir is 180.168.100.1. Tapos yung IP sir is 1.168.100.2. Sir, ginamit kong default sir is 180.168.100.1. Yung IP sir is 180.168.100.3. Yes. Same din sir. Ang default. Tapos yan. IP sir is 180.168.100.4. Dito naman sir is, yung default gateway naman sir is, yung ginamit ko dito is 120.168.100.1. That's yung IP sir is 120.168.100.2. Subject mask 255.0.0.0. Same din ng default gateway sir. Yung IP is 120.168.100.3. Yung master is yung default gateway sir is 120.168.100.1. Tapos yung IP sir is 120.168.100.4. Subject mask is 255.0.0.0. Sensor. Tapos check din natin sir kung successful lahat. PC to PC sir. Yan, successful naman sir. Is dito naman sir. Successful din naman sir. Is dito sir. Successful. Yung ginamit kong IP dito sir is 180.168.100.1. So yung serial din sir is 11.0.0.3. So check din natin sir kung successful. Delete ko na rin dito. Yung successful din naman sir. Dito din sir. Yung successful. So yun lang sir.